Oh, what the f... Just a spot of cleaning before retrobriting. And there's those white scratches. Sorry, excuse the mess here. I'm just doing some retrobriting on the Mac, and I wanted to chuck this in with what's outside, and I just wanted to show you it before I do. I'm entirely sure how that unlocks. It seems to have got jammed, but you can see the colour of it. Well, it's not great, is it? Family number G5431. Wow, it's quite a neat looking board in there. So I'm going to go chuck this in the peroxide very carefully. Stay with the act box. Yeah, I'm going to have to clean this up. It's a bit of a mess. It's got obviously some sticky residue just hanging in there. But yeah, I'm just going to give this a quick wipe, and then I'm going to put it in the peroxide. But I just wanted to quickly show you that. It's time to put this back together. The only thing I can't do at the moment is put the back end of this case together because I'm having issues with the retrobriting. Don't ask, please don't ask, it's driving me crazy. But this came out well. as did the mouse. So that's good. And let's just try and get this put back together and try and test it. And this might take a while, so there's going to be a lot of fast forwarding. I'm noticing bits that I haven't cleaned because I've been so busy. So I took that off. I put a little bit of oil on it just in case it starts to rust. I'm not sure if that's the right thing to do or not, but well, maybe someone could let me know. There we go. And it was just 2 silver screws, no washers. I couldn't test this because I don't have the equipment to test it, so I'm kind of hoping this is okay. Well, actually I haven't said that, it's the same for the floppy drive. And the SATA connector, not IDE as I said previously. am I doing? Now I've just realised what I've done wrong here. Let me explain. But I need to get this off first. Which means I'm going to have to disconnect this again. I can just rest that there. It's not too stressed. I am, but this isn't. So basically, this isn't the screen that I took off. I bought another screen off eBay, of a very nice chap, just in case the problem was with the original screen. So I had that to one side, ready, just in case something went wrong. But this is why I was sitting there thinking, I don't remember that connector looking like that. And of course I'm trying to put the one I bought from eBay, that very nice guy, it's got a different connector. So and this is the original one that was with this. So if everything does go wrong, I'm kind of hoping I can utilise the cable connector on the other Mac screen. Well, I've got to move this around, aren't I? Getting rather claustrophobic. Right, so build-wise, that's as far as I can go. I can't put the back cover on. Well, I could put it back on, but it's going to look horrendous because the Retrobrite still isn't finished. Let's just put in this cable. But I will be trying to power it on, that's for sure. Button off, good. Well, here we go, wish me luck. I'm going to stand back, see if anything. Tilt a little bit, maybe. Yeah. Oh, I've got something on screen, which I didn't have last time. Oh, now I can see the Apple logo. Well, that's not working, is it, the floppy drive? I had a feeling that wouldn't. But we're getting somewhere, so the screen, I don't know if you can see that, if I can go back any further, is doing that. And I've got these weird, I can see the Apple logo with the disc with the poorly face expression here and here. So the screen works, but I need to figure out what this is. So I'm going to end this video here, go away and do some homework, and yeah, I'm just pleased it's actually come on. It's better than last time, that's for sure. Floppy drive's not working quite clearly. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there for now. Thanks for watching.